it's Chef Santi. I know it's been a long time since we did a video because it's been a while because we've been moving into our new house, baseball, and enjoy the video. Today we are making pumpkin raisin cookies. My favorite because it's from my great grandma's recipe. And we're gonna double it because we're gonna give some to our friends and family. So, see you in the next step. So now, step one, we're gonna put the shortening, the sugar, and the pumpkin, vanilla extract, and the eggs.
Show us.
Okay, I'm gonna just scoop this in. Boom. I'm gonna put this in. Looks very snowy. I'm gonna scoop this in. I don't know.
Hard to scrape it all out, huh?
It's hard.
So while we're scraping, we're doubling the batch. So a regular batch would be 1 cup of shortening, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of pumpkin,
and 1 egg,
and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. But we are doing double that. Add the vanilla syrup.
Vanilla. Eggs. And for a proper chef, this is very easy. I saw an eggshell. Oh.
Uh-oh.
I see it. Gotcha.
And the next one. Even the best chefs, sometimes an eggshell gets in there, huh?
Even the master chefs make some mistakes. Everybody makes a mistake. And we're gonna go on with step 2 and the next. We're back now. I'm doing the mixing. We have a plug right here. What is pretty handy. Now we can do it right here.
At our old house, we had to move.
Because at our old house, we have to get near the stove and do it like this, right here. There's a plug right there. But it was easier to do it back here.
Speaking of stoves and ovens, while we're doing this part, we haven't heated up the oven yet. What temperature do these cookies bake at? You remember?
35.
Out of 0.
350
degrees. Okay. So
I was thinking it was that.
yeah. Okay. So we're gonna keep mixing here, right? All these wet ingredients. We'll be back.
We're gonna put in the flour. So right here we have it all mixed. Cinnamon, ginger, salt, baking powder, and baking soda.
Looks good. So again, we doubled the recipe, but typically it would be a teaspoon of all of those things and a half a teaspoon of the ginger. And that would be 2 cups of flour normally, but we're doing 4 cups because we doubled it. Right, Santi?
Wow, that's a lot of flour.
It is. Okay, what's next? Time to mix it together, right?
Yep, and then we're gonna put down the raisins.
Awesome. Get it mixed
See
in.
ya! So now we're gonna put in the raisins, my favorite. That's what makes the cookies the best because it's the raisins.
Do you remember how many raisins we put in?
2 cups.
Yeah, since we doubled it. Regular recipe, 1 cup.
There we mix it. It looks already like it was already done. But this is gonna get more interesting when we finish. Bye. I'm gonna put these in the oven.
We just dropped them out with a spoon.
I'm doing this batch too.
And these are gonna go in the oven for, it's kind of a vague time frame, 10 to 15 minutes. We'll show you what they look like when they come out. We usually go closer to the 15-minute side, right, Santi?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Bye. Okay. I like this rock because it's like smooth, hard, sometimes sharp. That's why it feels good. And what's that noise?
It's your sister playing with the thermometer.
And that's what I like about it. This is a geode. This is an amethyst right here.
Okay.
Or maybe it can be a pink quartz.
Did you crack it open yourself?
Yep. And this is a red crystal that I found in my front yard. This is another rock what I find to be very nice and cool. And this is a very nice rock what I like.
Also from our yard?
Yep. And this one, this is Druzy quartz. Druzy quartz. And this is quartz. This is a more silver quartz. This is a regular quartz. And that's what I had to tell you about my collection. But now it's time for a joke. Crabs are so cheap, they don't even pay attention. Okay, now we're gonna put in the brown sugar, the milk, and the butter into here.
What are we making?
We're making the glaze.
Okay, great. Let's get going. There's also some vanilla with this milk. We'll put the exact amounts in the recipe below. And to be honest, it's kind of hard to make the glaze. Oops! Oh, Santi. Let's not do it that way. We showed them what not to do. Please put in the butter gently, okay? What else is missing? Let's wait until the butter starts to melt and then we'll add in the brown sugar. We want this to boil. Right, Santi? We'll show you what the glaze looks like when we're finished.
Daddy.
Eva had to make an appearance, right, Eva?
Daddy.
Talk, baby.
So now we're putting the glaze in. I'm filming. And my mom's doing this, if you're wondering why the arms and hands are there.
And this is our brown sugar glaze,
Yep.
right? When you're making the glaze, the hardest part is not boiling the milk too high and then burning it and having to start over, which happened to us. And then you have to wait for the glaze to not be so hot. We could wait a little longer, but we have something to do. So
They look so beautiful.
don't they? If you don't want them to be so sugary, you can leave the glaze off, but we love the glaze.
The glaze is way much better.
Yeah, and we'll be back at the end for a taste test, right?
Yep.
Give them a nice shot of all the cookies. Okay, good stuff.
Okay, we're gonna do a taste test. You might be wondering, why am I wearing this shirt? I am a Virginia Tech fan, right here, it shows. But I'm also a North Carolina fan. And I'm gonna do my taste test. I know how it tastes. It's very good. You should try this at home often because it's so good. You should share it with your friends. It's like a friend recipe. This is how it looks. Let's see. Very good. Thank you for baking with me. Bye.